Good afternoon! Welcome! Today we are at Atago Jinja. It's a shrine in the middle of Tokyo. Did you know that visiting a shrine, there are many rules to respect in Japan? What are they? Well, let's go find out, but at the same time having fun.
Yes.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Cool, let's go!
Okay, let's go.
Alright guys, welcome to our first stop. This is the main gate to the shrine. Usually, when Japanese people come, before they walk through the gate, they bow to pay their respects. And they either walk through the left or the right side, but not the center.
Why?
The center is reserved for the gods. You want to give it a try?
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go. Alright, so this is our second stop. This is called the Museum. This is where you can purify your hands. Let me show you how to do it.
Yes.
Okay. First, you take the ladle, scoop up some water like this, purify your left hand, purify your right hand, purify your mouth like this, purify your left hand again, and then purify the ladle like this, and put the ladle back like this. Make sure the water falls into the outside area.
Okay. Yes.
Would you guys like to try?
Yes.
Yeah, of course. Alright. So,
Okay.
ladle, water,
So first,
and
hand is left hand.
right
Right
hand.
hand. Okay. Left again.
Left hand again. Good.
And then with both hands.
Two hands, yes. Very nice.
Okay.
Alright. Thank you. Right on. Alright, welcome to our third stop. This is the main hall. This is where you can make an offering and pay your respects and pray. So, let me tell you how it works. First, you can go up to the offering box. You do a bow. You can throw a coin into the offering box. Bow twice again. 1, 2. Clap your hands twice. 1, 2. And then you can either pray or just say a simple thank you. After that, give your final bow. And you're done.
Good.
Sounds
Okay.
good?
Yes, sounds
You
good.
wanna try?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
Every time I go to a temple or shrine in Japan, I bring my personal goshiincho. In this goshiincho, I collect stamps from those different temples or shrines. After you're done praying, you're allowed to get the stamp. So let's go and get the one from Atago Jinja.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Hi. はいどうぞ。はい、お疲れ様です。
Alright, that was it. What did you guys think?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun, right?
Yes, interesting to learn about all the different things at the shrine.
I'm really glad you guys enjoyed it. Let's recap what we went through today, okay?
Yeah.
So 1, you guys learned how to enter through the main gate,
Right.
right? Number 2, now you guys know how to purify your hands,
Yes.
right? Number 3, you know what to do now at the main hall and the offering box.
Yes.
Right.
And lastly, you now know where to get your goshuin.
Yes.
Alright? So, as you can probably see, in Japan, there are many rules and ways and customs of doing things. So I hope you guys now have a deeper understanding and appreciation of the way Japanese people do things at shrines and elsewhere in Japan.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right? Understanding these different customs and traditions will allow you to enjoy Japanese culture a lot more.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
That's
much.
Yes.
Alright, glad you guys enjoyed it. If you'd like to learn more about how to best enjoy your trip to Tokyo, please check out the Minato City Guide and Etiquette booklet. In here, you'll find a bunch of information on how to visit a shrine or how to ride a train. You'll also learn information about the do's and do-nots, such as where you can or cannot smoke. Hope to see you in Tokyo. Enjoy! Bye!